returned for insufficient funds. Your checking account has a balance of negative $1,103,426.54. Verification. Welcome to Chase. Please note, details provided on this call are of an informational nature and are not to be considered legal advice. For our mailing address, press 1. If you are a Chase customer or employee, press 2. If you are an attorney or agency calling about a court order or levy, press 3. Well,
for calling Chase, my name is Maddie. How can I assist you today?
This is Robert Trudell. I was calling to try to get some information on the hold that was placed on my checking account.
Okay, can I please get a social security number or account number?
The account number is 666666666.
Thank you.
The date in this 9/21.
Okay, and can you please verify your date of birth?
The 7th of August,
Said to give you
1963.
your card back.
Okay.
I was told the court order had my account number, but not my name on it. I was wondering what names were on the court order.
Okay, 1 moment. Okay, give me 1 moment. I'm going to put you on a brief hold if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, please give me a couple more minutes and I'll be right back with you.
All right.
Okay.
I also was wondering what the court order was for.
Okay, yeah, just give me 1 moment, please.
Okay,
I'm
thanks.
trying to locate it.
Okay.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Thanks.
Or, not bye-bye, 1
All right.
moment, please.
Okay.
Okay, it looks like, you would have to go into a branch with 2 valid IDs. I'm unable to pull up any information right now at this time.
Okay, I'm about 100 miles from a branch. I was close to them earlier, but nobody told me that.
I'm sorry about that, sir. Yeah, I can't provide any information at this time.
Somebody had pulled up some information before about the person who placed it was a Peter Ackerman. You can't pull that up.
No, I can't pull up any information at this time, no.
Is there a reason for that?
No, I'm just unable to. There's no specific reason. But you can go into a branch with 2 forms of ID and they should be able to help you.
Like I said, I'm 100 miles away from the closest branch.
Yourself out of.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm just unable to provide any information at this time.
Is there somebody else I can get some information from, or other than a branch? Some other phone number, or somebody was able to get some information the other day when I was close to a branch, but didn't tell me that. They said they
What
had.
information was provided?
They told me that Peter Ackerman had placed the court order on this account number, but not the. But they didn't place it on. They didn't have my name on the court order, and then they gave me his number to call. So I called him and hadn't got a response yet.
Okay, just give me 1 moment. 1 moment, I'll put you on a brief hold.
Okay.
Okay, so who did you say that the creditor was again?
It was a Peter B. Ackerman placed had a court order or a hold on the account. He's a lawyer. They gave me his.
Okay, so it looks.
Yeah. Yeah, I called him, and he hadn't responded yet. And I was told my name wasn't on the court order. I was wondering whose names are on it to see if there was anybody I knew.
So it's saying that the debtor is RONGSHAO.
RONG what? S
SHAO. That's the last name.
is the debtor.
Yes.
That's the only name on it? Or is that a company, or do you know what that is?
I am unsure. It's just stated under the debtor that that's the debtor's name.
Okay. And that's the only name on there?
Correct, yes.
Okay. And can the bank do anything else, or do I have to go through this other lawyer who placed the thing, or is there some way to verify that this is just kind of some kind of transposed number or something?
So right now the case status is saying pending payout release, so you would have to get in contact with the creditor and see what you can do, and we would have to like receive the proper documentation from them that we could like either adjust the hold or remove the hold, but until then we're unable to do anything.
Okay.
So getting in contact with the law firm Peter B. Ackerman.
Okay, could you give me his number again?
That number.
Let me see. Is that 866-578-7022? Or is that your
No.
name? That's not.
This
Let me
is
see. Let's see. Peter. Court orders. Oh, that's the one I just called. Maybe I have that. Could you give me his number again?
Yep, it is 914
914
686
686.
1200.
All right. Okay. Thank you for the help.
Yep, I'm sorry it took me a minute to locate the case, but I hope you can get that worked out for you.
Okay.
Have a great day. Thanks for calling, Chase.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is Peter Ackerman. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
After leaving a message, you can pound for more options.
Hello, this is Robert Trudell. I was calling about a hold that was placed on my Chase account. I think that was a mistake. It was Chase account 666666666. I heard the hold was not in my name. It was in the name of a Rong show, or RONGSHO, and my name is Robert Trudell, and I'm in Arizona. I heard this was in New York. If you give me a call back or take the hold off my account, the Chase account 6666666. My phone number is 480-256-2673. Thank you.
Law office.
Hello, this is Robert Trudell. I was calling about a hold that was placed on my bank account. I think it was an error.
Can you hold on 1 second, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is your name, sir?
My name's Robert Trudell, Trudell. I guess
on.
the hold was placed on my account, but not in my name. It was in the it was in the name of a Rong show.
Whose name it was?
Yes. RONGSHO.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a moment, sir.
Okay.
Is it a Chase account, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Just bear with me a moment.
Okay.
So, my office represents a judgment creditor, someone named Rong,
Uh-huh.
and we sent this to Chase because, I mean, that's my job. That's what I do. I'm an attorney in White Plains. I do collection work, and one of the things we do is if we have reason to believe that the debtor has an account at a bank somewhere, we send what's called an information subpoena and a restraining notice to that bank. We did that here. I don't think your name appears anywhere on these papers.
That's what they said, yeah. And I was wondering if you could get that hold released off my account.
Again, I'm sorry, I do want to do that, but I'm trying to let me make something very clear.
Okay.
I have not forwarded anything to Chase Bank with your name on it, sir.
That's what they told me.
Well, if that's the case, did you ask them how come my account has been frozen?
That's what I said.
That's my question.
They said it's my account number. They got my account number, so they froze my account.
All right, hold on one second, because hold on.
Okay. I could give you my account number if you'd like.
Well, I can tell you what I gave them, because I did give them an account number.
Uh-huh.
And I gave them 6666666.
Right, that's my checking account number.
Oh, for goodness sake. Well, when I have a copy of a bank account in the name of Mr. Shao
Uh-huh.
with that same account number from October of 2020.
Okay. Yeah, I've had this account number for a long time. Yeah.
Long time, I assume?
Yes. 30 years.
Okay.
40 years.
Okay. 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 I don't know what the problem is, but I'm happy to contact Chase and tell them that they seem to have restrained the wrong account. Let me just ask, does that account number for you have any zeros in front of the 6?
Yes, it usually has a 0 in front of it. It can either have a 0 or not a 0.
Okay. Okay. I can't figure this out at all. I don't know what the problem is. If you would like, I can try to reach out to Chase by phone. Sometimes they're pretty responsive. I know how to reach them.
Uh-huh.
And if you want, you could stay on the phone.
Okay.
Where are you located, sir?
Arizona.
You're in Arizona?
Yeah, they were surprised that this was out of New York and I'm in Arizona. What?
That's crazy.
What is the what is the hold being done for anyway? Is that for?
Well, as I said, my client has a money judgment
Okay.
against Mr. Shao
Right.
for I don't know what the amount is. It's a substantial amount.
There's like $1 million hold on my account.
Yeah, that's because the bank has to hold twice the face amount of the judgment when they match up something, and so they're doing what they have to do.
Right.
Given that the number matched up with you.
Uh-huh.
But that's the reason for it, and the reason for it again is because I'm looking at this account statement from November of 20.
Uh-huh.
I feel as though what I should do is email a picture of this account statement to you.
Okay.
Because I don't understand this. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. Let me hold on one second.
Okay.
Just do one thing. Let me just take a picture of this real fast, and then email it to myself, and then I can email it to you. Can you hold on one moment, sir?
Sure.
I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let me quickly get this. Okay, what I'm doing is I took a picture of this statement, and I am emailing it to myself right now. And then what I'm going to do is, if you don't mind, I'll email it to you.
Sure.
And I'd like to, if you don't mind, I appreciate your cooperation. I'd just like you to look at this for a second,
Okay.
and then we can move ahead. Okay, here we are. Okay, great. Here's the statement. Okay, and give me an email to send this to, sir.
Go ahead and send it to TTOUTPOST@gmail.com.
Hold on. Okay, it's a little hard to understand you. I think you said 2 T's as in Thomas, O-U-T, like the word out.
Yeah, Outpost.
Then okay, and then was it another T like Thomas?
It's TTOutpost@gmail.com.
Oh, outpost. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Outpost. All right, just a minute. Outpost. Okay, TTOutpost@gmail.com, and I'm just gonna say, here is the account statement. Okay, I'm just gonna shoot that out to you right now. Are you? Can you access your email, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Let me know when you get it.
I got something here. Okay, that's shall. They spelled it different on the phone here. Let's see. Yeah, he has more zeros than I do.
So you have the same last 7 digits, but he has more zeros than you?
Right, I've never seen that many zeros on my account here. Jeez.
On your account?
Right.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let me see if I can reach Chase right now. Just bear with me 1 second. I'm going to put you on hold for a moment, then I'm going to come back.
Okay.
Calling about a court order or levy, press 3. Welcome to Chase Customer Service. We take pride in providing you with excellent service and look forward to speaking with you. A customer service specialist will assist you as soon as possible.
Are you there, sir?
Yes, I am.
In approximately 3
Okay, good.
minutes.
Good. Okay. Yeah, they're usually pretty quick about this.
Uh-huh. Robert Trudell, Trudell.
Got it. The only reason I'm a little surprised is because they don't usually do this without also matching up an address on social or at least something else. The name is wrong. So it's a little I do this work.
Yeah.
It's a little surprising to me that the bank would have. Hi, my name is Peter Ackerman. I'm an attorney in White Plains, New York. I recently sent a restraining notice and information subpoena to Chase Bank, which is what I do routinely in my law practice with respect to a debtor. And apparently Chase has restrained the account of an individual who is not the debtor and has apparently an account with the same 7 digits as the debtor's account had in October of 2020. So I'm calling Chase right now to see if I can get this clarified and get it resolved. I mean, I don't mind sending a fax, I can do that, but I wanted to talk to somebody first, and the individual whose account was restrained is on the phone with me as well, a gentleman by the name of Robert Trudell. Anyway, I can give you what you need to identify the matter, whatever you need.
Okay, do you have the SB number?
I didn't get a response yet from Chase. Mr. Trudell called me because his account's frozen, but I don't have an SB number because I didn't get a response yet.
And it was sent in a subpoena?
Yeah, a subpoena with a New York restraining notice, which, restrains up to 2 times the amount of the account and so on.
Yeah. Do you have like the social security number or the full account number?
I do have the account number that I gave you on my restraining notice.
Okay, can I please have that?
Yeah, just bear with me 1 second. I'm sorry, I'm just looking for something else.
Okay.
Yeah, I also, I gave you, no, I didn't give you the social. Okay, so the account number we gave you, leaving off all of the zeros in front of this number, which I left off because, I'm sorry, I just have to explain this to you. Someone from Chase called me about this last week before they restrained the account, and they asked me what was the account number. And I gave them the account number, and I told them there were all these zeros in front of it, and they said, well, okay, we just need the last 7 that aren't zeros. I said, fine. So I gave that to them. So here are the 7 digits I gave them. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6.
Okay.
Thank you.
Would you like me to try the social security number?
Well, the issue is that Mr. Trudell, who is not the debtor, who is on the phone with me, has had his account frozen. Now, maybe, Mr. Trudell, if you give this lady your account number, maybe she can find it.
Well, it's the same number. It's 6666666.
Can I please try the primary?
You mean the social of the debtor, not Mr. Trudell, obviously.
So then I'm going to have to, let me see if I can pull up the subpoena with the debtor social first.
Well, I don't want you to waste time doing that because I'm taking a look and I don't think we gave you the social on the subpoena. As I'm looking at it right now, I'm just trying to see if we did it. I don't think we did. And if you're going to go look for that, you won't find it because we didn't give it to you. Which we usually do. I don't know why we didn't, but in any event, looks like we did.
Okay, so can I please try the social security number? I can still try it with Robert's social security number.
Well, I can give you the social security number of the debtor if you want it. I have that.
Either one, I'll try both.
Okay. Well, let's start with the debtor. The debtor social is 000000000. Sure.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything wrong with the social there.
Okay.
Can I try any other social then?
Mr. Trudell, that's up to you.
Mine
I will assure you that I'm not. Yeah.
says 666666666.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and what is your name?
I'm the attorney who sent that. My name is Peter Ackerman, Ackerman. I'm in White Plains, New York. I'm the attorney who sent it to Chase.
And what's your last name, Peter?
Ackerman, Ackerman.
Okay. I'm going to have to escalate this because I can't locate records regarding this. I already think I spoke with Robert this morning regarding the levy. I can definitely, here, I'm going to escalate this, and I would like a good callback number in case when production will reach back out to you if they need more information. I'm unable to provide any information at this time, so